Good morning, student. I am Salendra Kumar, math teacher of Lord Buddha Public School. Today I will teach in class 9 subject math chapter 4 linear equation in two variable. Dear student, first we know about the equation. What is in an equation? Equation, a statement of equality in which variables and non-variable involves is known as an equation. A statement of equality in which variables and non-variables involves is known as an equation. There is a word, a statement. What is a statement? A statement, a types of sentence which can be judged for its truthness is known as a statement. So, a statement of equality in which variables and non-variables involved is known as an equation. Example, 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x plus 3y equal to 10. 4x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. These all are known as an equation. But in these three examples, we see here there is only one variable. In this example, there are the two variables, and third example, here is only one variable. But in this example, the power of x and degree of this equation is 2. Here the degree of this equation is 1 and 1, and here the degree of this equation is 1. So, we can say there are different types of equation. So, now we study about the types of equation. There are different types of equation. First, linear equation in one variable. Second, linear equation in two variable. And third, quadratic equation in one variable. There are mainly three types of equation we study in class 9 as well as class 10. Here the linear equation in one variable, these types of equation you study in class 6, 7, 8. But now in class 9, we study about the linear equation in two variable and quadratic equation in two variable. This equation you study in class 10. So today our focus on the linear equation in two variable. So now we know about the linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variable. An equation in which two variables involved with degree 1 is known as linear equation in two variable. It's a standard form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a b does not equal to 0 and a, b and c are a real number. That means ax plus b plus c is equal to 0. This is a standard form of a linear equation in two variable. Here a and b and c are a real number, but there is a condition a and b does not equal to 0, because when the value of a and b, any one or both, is equal to 0, then it is not an equation of variable. So now we know about the solution of linear equation in two variable. Solution or roots of equation. The value of variable, for which given equation is satisfied, the value of variable for which the given equation is satisfied, then that value of variables known as solution or roots of equation. That means That means x equal to alpha and y is equal to beta, such that the equation ax plus by plus c are roots, then a alpha plus b beta plus c is equal to 0. Not a linear equation in two variable having infinite number of solution. Because each variables of the given equation depends on the other, so when we substitute the value of any one variable in the given equation, then we get the value of the other variable in the respect of the other variables. So now we study about the methods for finding the solution of equation. Methods for finding the solution of equation. There are mainly two methods we use for finding the solution of equation. First, try and error method. And second, by graphical representation. So now first we study about the try and error method. Try and error method. In this method, first we convert the value of one variable in the respect of other variable, such that if we take x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0, there is a linear equation in two variables. So first we find the value of any one variable in the respect of other variable. So we write it x is equal to 6 minus 2y. Yeah, 2y is equal to 6 minus x. then y is equal to 6 minus x upon 2. There are the two ways to find the value of variable in this type and in this type. This type we find the value of x in the respect of y, and in this method we find the value of y in the respect of x. So when we convert the given equation in this form, then we get the left side of the equal sign only one variable, but in the right side the variables and non-variables both are joined with each other by different mathematical operation. In both cases, here the left side of the equal sign we get only one variable y, but in the right side the variables and non-variables are joined with each other by different mathematical sign. So in this case, the variable x is known as dependent variable and the variable y is known as free variable. In this case, y is known as dependent variable and variable x is known as free variable. Free variable means the value of that variable we put itself, and the independent means the value of that variable we get depends on the value of other variables. So now we substitute the value of free variable by itself only integers, and such that we get the value of other variable is also an integer. So we take here in first case first, y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 6 minus 2 into 0, then we get 6 minus 0 is equal to 6. Again case 2, y is equal to 3, then we get x is equal to 6 minus 2 into 3, we get 6 minus 6 यानी कि 0. Here we put the value of y equal to 0, then we get the value of x is equal to 6, and the second case when we substitute the y equal to 3, then we get x equal to 0. Similarly, we substitute the different value of y in this equation and we get the value of other variable x in the different cases. Thus, we can say 6, 0, 0, 3 are solution of equation x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. In this method, we get the solution of the given equation.